Hello and welcome. If you've ever wondered, am I doing mindfulness right? You're not alone. Today we're diving into that very question, exploring how to know if your mindfulness practice is on track and how to deepen it with confidence. Whether you're new to mindfulness or have been practicing for a while, this is for you. So let's get started. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment on purpose and without judgment. It's about observing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without trying to change them. But how do you know if you're practicing right? First, let's explore some signs that indicate you're on the right track. Number 1, non-judgmental awareness. You're noticing your thoughts and feelings without labeling them as good or bad. Number 2, present moment focus. You find yourself more engaged in the here and now rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Number 3, increased self-awareness. You're becoming more aware of your habitual reactions and emotions. Number 4, acceptance. You acknowledge your experiences without trying to change them immediately. Number 5, compassion. You cultivate kindness and understanding towards yourself and others. Remember, mindfulness isn't about achieving a blank mind or perfect calm. It's about observing your experiences with openness and curiosity. Common misconceptions. It's always important to address some common misconceptions. I should always feel calm. Mindfulness isn't about forcing calmness. It's about accepting whatever arises. I'm doing it wrong if my mind wanders. Mind wandering is natural. The key is gently bringing your attention back without self-judgment. I need to meditate for hours. Even short, consistent sessions can be effective. As Dr. Jennifer Ho emphasizes, the true goal is to be able to observe and notice the thoughts coming in and out of your mind without judgment. Looking to deepen your mindfulness practice? Consider these tips. Consistency. Practice regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Variety. Explore different mindfulness techniques such as body scans, mindful breathing, walking meditations, or even Zen doodling. Patience. Be patient with yourself. Progress in mindfulness is gradual and non-linear. Jon Kabat-Zinn's book, Full Catastrophe Living, offers a comprehensive guide to integrating mindfulness into daily life. So that's worth checking out. Remember, there's no right way to do mindfulness. It's about being present with whatever arises without judgment. Trust your own experience and allow your practice to evolve naturally. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions or thoughts about mindfulness, drop them in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and take care.